So guys, I have all my glasses on because I just put sunblock on. I'm about to go to Knott's Berry Farm, catch up with my sister and her family. So yeah, we're gonna go see what's going on today. Now hopefully it's not too busy because we went on Friday. It was very busy, so hopefully today will be a little bit slower. Let's start here. 45-minute wait, huh? About to get that that water looks so clean.
Something on the sticker?
I want to go on that one. There goes the accelerator.
You want to go on the accelerator?
If it's a long way.
We already went on that one.
Yeah.
We went on 4. This is gonna be our 4th one already.
Yeah. Last week. Trying to get that Supreme screen. Sorry. Doesn't really have that fast zoom in it. I don't know why it's set like that, but I have to put it up there. Very beautiful. Love it. I'd love to have one of these in my yard.
You did sweatshirts on Sunday.
Who? That's beautiful. I don't know if it's vlogged, but we did like what, 2 hours in the log ride. It was pretty fun though. I'm all wet. How'd you like it? It was pretty fun, huh?
Yeah.
We should go on Supreme scheme first, or
Oh, go ahead.
I'll wait meet y'all there.
Be my guest.
I want to go on an accelerator, but yeah, it's pretty good. I might go on it later.
Why was it dark at that one spot? I was like, what the heck is going on?
Yeah, imagine getting stuck in there. Even those fake coyotes are terrifying, huh?
Yeah.
Let's go on that one where you can see the whole city. I don't know if it's focused, but that's the good stuff right there. Because if we eat, we're gonna have to wait like 30 minutes to go on the next ride.
Who says who?
Because if we eat right away, we'll go crazy. I think, wait, they're about the same height, not, if it's only 10 minutes, get over with, no?
Yes, that'll be the...
It goes up fast first.
So, it goes straight down there.
Where's this place at?
Oh damn, that thing went fast. That thing went fast.
Oh no, when we're done eating, we should go on the swing.
That's a baby ride. Just kidding. Oh no, the line's long for food. That's a very quick one.
it's like you start getting wrinkled, it takes long.
It's a beautiful tree. Silver bullet. Dark in here. I'm doing it. I don't want to go on this ride, but I'm gonna make it my last one.
So crazy.
Time went so fast today.
Mom, he's recording.
So was here about a good 5 hours. Got here at like almost 1, and now it's about to be 6 in 2 minutes. So it was fun, you know, getting out for a little bit for about a good almost 5.5 hours, almost 6. Yeah, so the log ride, that was for, well, the family already rode like 4 rides, and the log ride was like almost an hour and a half wait. Then after that we went to we took a little break, I think. We went on that one, the spin one. I forgot what it's called. The one that it's hard to explain. It's like spinning and you're like going in circles. Then the Jaguar and the Supreme Scheme, and that was it. Yeah, time goes really super fast when you're waiting in those hour wait lines, even 2 hours. Ghost Rider was closed, and I think Hang Time will remain closed until October, I think. I guess they're making changes to it or fixing it. So yeah, now I don't know how long it's gonna take me to get home, because I don't know if I'm gonna catch the evening traffic, and yeah, I don't know how long that's gonna take me. About an hour and 10 minutes, or maybe an hour and a half. It's just hopefully the fast track will be okay. So yeah, it was a great, came back almost a week ago. Tomorrow will be 6 days, I think. Yeah, because we came on Friday, and now today's Wednesday. So hopefully, depending on how much longer the season pass goes till, hopefully we'll have another fun time coming. It wasn't as packed as it was on Friday, because on Friday when we came, oh my god, it was almost every line was almost a 2-hour wait. Yeah, today was okay, not too bad. Everything was like 45 minutes to an hour. So that's it, everybody. So yeah, hopefully I can keep the YouTube going. So that's it, everybody. So please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I don't know what we'll be doing next. So that's it. Have a wonderful rest of the week.